Hey YouTube, Mort here, Team South. Card of the week. As you may have seen or heard in our last deck profile of Quick Draw Dandy Warrior, the card of the week this week is Mystical Space Typhoon. When it got to 2 in the beginning of the format, people weren't playing it that much because they thought it would go like random MSTs on like four back row. But it's gaining more play lately because people think it's good anyway. I like what I like about this card. When you like read a bottomless trap pool, and you wanna go like Titanial or Caius or any other card, high level card, high attack card you want on the field, you can just MST it, and if you're right, it's a bottomless, and if you're wrong, it still is most likely a threat. So it still gets rid of threats. So you can still go just go MST on something you think is gonna be a problem to you, and most of the times you're right because backfields mostly are cards that are problems to you. So MST is never like a dead draw unless you're like top decking. It's also just good to play MST in the end phase when your opponent just has set like a card. Like for example, the end of last format when Compulsory was played a lot. End phase MSTs on Compulsory is really good because when you go in your main phase go MST on Compulsory, they can just chain it to bounce one of your monsters, and in the end phase is much better. This card is played in 2s right now. Everyone like plays it in 2s. Some people play it in 1, but I don't think why you should play 1 when you can play 2, unless you really do have space issues. When you got like, and also a player like when you just go set MST and your opponent plays an MST on your MST, just chain it. So it's just pretty logic play, of course. But I think MST is still really chainable. Like I said, never really a dead draw. When you get the space, in my opinion, you should just play 2. I think it's 2 or 0. Although I think Konami, I don't really know why Konami put it to 2, because I think it was good at 1. Everyone was playing it at 1, and I don't think it needs to be at 2. But it's been gaining play, like I said. Like with regionals, I've been following, and other tournaments. Everyone has been playing like MSTs when they got the space. I'm wondering with YCS Atlanta upcoming weekend. I think it's Atlanta. I'm really wondering how many people will be playing MSTs. If the top decks will be playing MSTs. So I still think MST is a good card, even though people don't play it that much anymore. When I got the space on my decks, I'll just fit it in. When I don't, I'll just side deck them. I always main or side deck them because it's still a really good card, and it gives you outs to like Royal Decree when you're playing a trap heavy deck, or Skill Drain when it really bugs you. So MST is still a good card. Post your opinions on this card, please, in the comments below, so we can perhaps even start a discussion if you want to. So guys, thanks for watching. See you next time in a video.